Today we are going to have a fun with letter C. Letter C, it sounds K. And it is the third letter of alphabets. Let's go out with letter C. C, there is a car, a cap and a cat. We are going to have a fun. We are going to sing a poem. Let's sing with me. C car, C car cap, C car cat in your life. C car, C car cap, C car cat in your lap. Sing with me again. C car, C car cap, C car cat in your lap. Did you notice? The sound of car, cap and cat is K. Dear children, keep singing this poem with your friends and teacher.
Please like, share and subscribe this channel for getting more educational videos for you.